Hey there Crimson Desert Gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get into the Silent Falls Hideout in Crimson Desert. So first things first, I'm just going to show you where I am on the map here. So I'm currently to the west of Riventine Winery. You can see there's a river here. I'll just zoom all the way out here for you. So you can see Herdnand here, you've got the Rocket Hills, you've got Hook Rapids, and then over here basically what you're going to be looking for is the Twilight Grotto. And basically the Silent Falls Hideout is actually underneath that. So if we come here, we're going to jump straight off just here, go into flight mode to break our fall, and then what we're looking for basically is this entrance here. There is going to be a mini boss in here that you will need to fight, and as we come through to the left here, and as we come through here, you're going to find this doorway, and inside this doorway, this is where the boss is actually going to come to life. So this is Grave Walker, and he's the guy that we're going to need to fight. The boss is actually quite easy to just kill outright. You have to disassemble him by attacking various points on his body. He only managed to hit me 2 times before killing him, so he's not a particularly hard boss to fight. I do recommend if you want to mitigate some of the damage to bring a shield or dodge out of the way, but I was able to just face tank it. And after you've defeated the boss, all you need to then come and do is light these torches, and then once we've lit both of these torches, we simply come through here. This is how you got into the Silent Falls Hideout. Really hope the video helped. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. Really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.